Hello students. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Priyanka's Little Turtle. So what is the difference between a turtle and a tortoise? So a tortoise used to live in land and a turtle used to live in water. So let's start the chapter, okay? So Priyanka is on her way home from school one day when she decides to walk down to the empty beach near her house. She sees a teeny turtle that is clearly lost in the sand. Then she notices that the seagulls are flying close to the turtle. They think it is their next meal. So, what happened is that Priyanka was returning back from school to home, so she decides that let me go to the beach and have a walk. But as soon as she was walking through the beach, she sees a teeny turtle which was lost in the sand. That means there was no one, it was alone. So she notices that there used to be some seagulls flying in the beach. So these seagulls are birds, so these are seagulls, and that is the teeny turtle. So she thought that if the teeny turtle and she thought that if the teeny turtle, that these seagulls may notice that the teeny turtle and they may eat that. They may eat that, they may harm that, that means the turtle, and as their next meal. So Priyanka sees all the thing that was already happened in the teeny turtle, and after that Priyanka saves the teeny turtle and names it Skirty Varman. Then she takes the turtle and decides to visit Baby Mole, the kind lady who sells fish to her grandmother. So Priyanka may thought that at that time, Priyanka may thought that it may attack by the seagulls, so she thought that she will take to her home, but taking the turtle, she gave the teeny turtle name as Skirty Varman, and she decides to take to the Baby Mole, who was a kind lady, and she used to sell fish to her grandmother, that means Priyanka's grandmother. So why she taking to Baby Mole? Because she don't know much about teeny turtles, how to take care of it, and what should she feed the teeny turtle. All these things she should know to someone. So Priyanka decides to go back to the Baby Mole's house, and because of that, because Baby Mole may, as she used to handle all such kind of fishes, even fishes and even after turtles, so she may know much about of it. So she thought, let me take to Baby Mole, and she may gave some idea for it, that means Baby Mole, and Baby Mole gave some idea for it, that means it refers to the turtle. So students, turn out the next page. Baby Mole was scrubbing a bucket when Priyanka hugged her from behind. Priyanka, what are you doing here? Said Baby Mole, and she surprised. So nothing, said Priyanka, and I just came to see you. Then throwing cushions to the winds, she said in a rush, so how do you take care of a turtle? What does one give a turtle to eat? Said Priyanka. So she went to Baby Mole, and Baby Mole was scrubbing a bucket when Priyanka came from behind, and she hugged her. But as soon as Baby Mole saw Priyanka, she was totally surprised and asked, what are you doing here, Priyanka? Then Priyanka replied that nothing. So I just came to see you. So without taking risk, without thinking much, she that means Priyanka started to ask about turtle. What and how do you take care of turtle? How and what should you give turtle to eat? So all these type of questions, see Priyanka asked to baby mole. Okay. So students, with this I would like to conclude, and so in the next class I will continue the chapter with this. So thank you so much students.